Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make a frame with the multicolor cooling strips, you can say as a round flower. For that we need a die 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm round die, cooling tool, one marker head, it's around 12 mm. You can also make call the die, because we have to make this round, and this one with this one, glue and some multicolor strips. So let's get started friends to make our stuff. From beginning we will start. Get the glue and strip, put the little for joint, I think 2 or 3 rounds you can make. It's 150 mm strip, so we make that round, the first one. The next step, we have to use the cooling tool and make it round, and we have also need this one 150 mm strip. Make 15 mm round. Put the glue and make the shape a petal. That is, you have to put the opposite side here, and the third one, the green round, we will use 75 mm strip for that, and also the die of 12 mm marker cap. When you make that round, just put pen and take up any pen or any round shape to make shape of that edge. You can see. The next step, we need 150 mm blue strip. Again we will use the same one die of 15 mm here. Put the glue and press the both side corners. As you can see, again we make it the blue one. The next step is the tight roll or coiled in a red color, 150 mm strip, and use the cooling tool. Put the glue at the edge. You make it same, that one, the red. Next step, yellow. We have to use 75 mm yellow strip and 10 mm die of round shape. And we have the corner, and put same as it is purple. Okay, you got that one also, yellow one. The second last step, we need green 75 mm strip, and we have to use the same that marker head of 12 mm diaphragm. And little bit bend from the corner and make the shape of curved petal. See, the last step of the flower or frame, we have to use the large earpiece. Also 150 mm we need this one, the bigger one, the last one, pink color strip. Put the corner and press on the top edge. The down or bottom side do not press, because you have to make the round shape petal, not like the before we made. As it is, you did it. Done. So friends, we make all the samples of our flower, and next step I will tell you. You can see how many quantity we need, and about the rounds, what size rounds we need, and make it as it is, the things you are looking in the video, and do it in the picture, and do it by yourself. So let's start to show you the quantity of the stuff, and you will do it at home. Same, you just look the frame and do it. Finally friends, we got our stuff, all the stuff quantity I put on the paper, what we need. I will tell you about the rounds. First round, the very small round, we need 35 mm. The orange round, we need 65 mm. Yellow, we need 90 mm. Pink, we need 130 mm. And the brown, we need 150 mm. And the purple one, we need 170 mm. And the black one, the last one, we need 210 mm. So all the stuff you can see, every single piece you can see with the quantity. So let's get started friends to putting on the paper everything. Finally friends, we complete our multicolor quilling frame, flower, a round shape, whatever you call. I hope you learn lots of things from our video. If you have any question, feel free and ask me. I will answer you. Text me, comment me, I will reply. And until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.